and address the people from here.
My Excellency. We are attending.
Honorable Afetawa, the happy and the church and the Harlem Ladies and gentlemen,
anyone, roll a sheet. Put your hands together!
We don't get another one. Now our Papa did so. Now our Papa did so. We don't get another one. Now our Papa did so.
Òtítọ́ dìrí Jésù. Òtítọ́ dìrí Jésù. How come Catholic? Now, simple. By January next year, February next year, all of you will be in trouble if APC wins. Go and check. What you check? There is a tax law. Because George Tinubu, why is the tax law not being implemented? Ujo election. Immediately after election, APC will implement the tax law. The tax law is if I pay you 100 million naira for your building materials, automatically 25 million will leave your account. If you say it's a lie, take my statement to your lawyer. Tell your lawyer, give me the tax law and explain it to me. I'm a lawyer. The moment you pay, I come here, you give me building materials, he says 100 million, you say, if you say 20 million, if I pay you 20 million, Tinubu will collect 2.5. If you say it's 500,000 naira, Tinubu will collect, no, you will collect 2,500. 25% of every payment you get will go to the federal government. Okay, so let's even leave that. How does it affect everybody? It doesn't affect you alone. How does it affect everybody? If I come and I'm a landlord and I'm building a house, you charge me 25% because you won't bear it alone. You transfer it to the person who bought it. I will go and put 25% on the rent. If the rent, the man who rented the house is a doctor, to treat you, he will do what? If he's a carpenter, what will he do? You see, I don't even mind the tax. What I mind is that even after the tax, the money goes into private pockets. Now, I said, Otito did Jesu, you say, Nandwe baby. That's what you've answered. That day, Jesu won't be there. At all. Don't do like on the market traders. Time for Angelus. Maria and Sunday in Kechuku, 10,000 naira. We take go. Leave ego alone. Leave ego alone and do what? And protect your future. Go and vote. When you vote, don't go home. Not because of Mo. Mo is one person. It is because by the time you come, people won't come to buy your goods again because there is no money to buy the goods. you will not be able to go around to buy more materials. If you want to survive, don't look at my face. Whether you like me or not is immaterial. It is about you.
Yes, sir.
It's about your children.
Yes, sir.
You will not have money to pay school fees, oh, because if you build that man 25%, school fees will increase by 25.
Yes,
This is not joke. I cannot say this in public if it's a lie. If you say it's a lie, Biko, go to your lawyer. If your son is a lawyer, call him. Say, my son, explain to me what is this tax law. And ask your son, why is Tinubu not implementing it now? Why is he waiting for election to finish before he implements it?
because we want to kill Nigeria. Yes.
He's waiting to finish so that you don't punish him. If Tinubu says, oh, Tinubu is a hero, he's wrong, let him implement the law. If he implements the law, he will not even contest. Because even his mother and brother will vote for us. But he has kept it aside, waiting for you people to vote. After voting, if he's lucky, then the law will come. Then people will start crying. Then I will start laughing. You know, I was in APC. All the people that were doing gragra in APC, gragra. I was begging them, oh, I'm better than this man. They say it's a lie. Now when I see them, I will start laughing like a madman. They say, why are you laughing? As I told you, and 80% of them, he has sacked them. He has sacked Badru, he has sacked Ganduje, he has sacked Erufai, everybody, they run. And me, I'm still doing what? I'm still laughing. Don't allow me to come here next year to laugh you in their shop. Oh. May God bless you.
Our Papa be this so, ADC. Our Papa be this so, we don't get another one. Our Papa be this so, ADC. Arise and shine, ADC. That is what. Man, I want to make an announcement and somebody can reply. Who is a politician? Somebody I am a Rofuma, I am a bro. What are getting a politics? I am a Russian, a shop. Let's talk about our rights. Please come and hear that people know that Amaechi. You will give feel that Nachopu is okay, or if okay. Once they work 25% in every tiering account, all one bada gain on there. The one can protect our own. Authority yes so. Because in view of that, I am one the BRI in the ADC, which is name on ADC our own. We strongly believe in T.O. and Dr. Mo. Now, Mark, is it not true? So, please, there is one of us, the son of the soil. So, however, Johnny interpret 25% is all about. Because we better come and make it Nuru Oh, 30 years so. We cannot help you. So please, where is ADC? ADC! Arise and shine! ADC! Let me be frantic about what we are here for. The journey, we are in a journey. And that journey must have an end. And I want to let you know that the journey starts today with you and me, because we need to bring about freedom. We need to bring about space for you and I. And nobody does that if not you, if not me. That will be the changer. And that is why we have in our midst today people who have understand the thick of politics. Politicians who understand the yearnings and the heartbeats of people who are ready to change you for a better tomorrow. Please and please, they have not come here to tell you what you have not been hearing or know. They have come to let you know what you must do in order to bring a better life for yourself, your children, and of course, to live a life of freedom. Are you there? ADC! Arise and shine! ADC! Please, without wasting much of our time, because our time is past +1, we have here Dr. Moore, and one whom we are going to support come 21st of this month, February. Ahmad is our own. Can that place become our own? I know some of us are card bearers who are resident in Abuja, and with our vote will make the difference. That speaks when we go there 21st and then cast our votes to our very own Dr. Moore, because he has all it takes to bring about the change we need. The Ahmad chairman, are you there? And that is why we have to do it and do it very well. And then we want us to come and then do this, bring about unique change. Please, this is our tax, this is our responsibilities. We will not go back home to sleep. I would rather give room for you to ask questions after they have left. That the Igbos have what it takes to bring about change in Nigeria. And that change is what we are ready for. And that change we must do by the grace of God. It's not all about the money, but when the money comes, takes, but do the right thing. Are you there? Yes. Huh? That is it. All you got there, man. And they let you feel him. Thank you. ADC!
Arise and shine! ADC!
Building material market. How we dey now? This is not be English time, oh. You know, say I get PhD for environmental resource planning. When I dey here, area. I hear say somebody thought say they don't write the result for Amak election. I hear say somebody say them go Riguna election. God punish devil. I said God punish devil. If they do anyhow, he get what I go to explain, but one of our fathers they here. And when he come, he go explain them better, because when they talk to chairman, I say, hey, me I think say I go school, but this one another level. Somebody say another level. Say another level. Are you ready for another level? Make I finish my own. I've been here for about 40 years. I went to primary school here. Primary school, I was the head boy. Secondary school, head boy. If you're not jealous, clap now. Which can wala now? I they remind them very quickly. You know, say, me, I don't get opportunity. I don't travel about 20 countries around the world. So when they do interaction for Harvard, I go tell them, say, me, I no go school for Harvard, all those Oxford. Though. I say, me, I no take all this English where I just they blow for and I take surprise. Now for here at school, 40 years after I did primary school, now children, they sit down for ground for Amak. Primary school children, they sit down for ground. Primary healthcare centers where they even where they born children, no toilet. Me, tomorrow I they carry chairs, go give, you know, no kapua for Lugbe. When I go there, now goat and sheep, they share room with children. The power to rebuild primary school, primary healthcare centers, now the job of the chairman. If we dey country where things they work, some of the job where the minister they do, the minister go there for prison. Because you're not supposed to carry job where belong to chairman they do. We don't understand that they talk. We don't understand. That one an error. That is why we are here. Look at us everywhere. So multiple taxation. Now so when Oga come now, you go explain that one better. When are they here? We come because that is what I call open governance system, accountability system, transparent. My government go be like glass. You go see through them. We never tire for poverty. We never tire for criminality. We never tire for corruption. Not be me and you they suffer. Not be me and you they live inside son. We not there yet. ADC. You know why we go arise? Because everything there for ground. All of us there for ground. Nigeria just they fall everywhere you go. Nigeria there for ground. So we must arise, Abi. Yes. Because if you carry umbrella, you get the carry away go come, plus you and the umbrella, you go blow. And no be so. I'm a day so dirty. I have a PhD in environmental resource planning, so I understand the management of waste. Waste management is a multi-billion naira industry. But look at Amak. Look at everywhere from Nyanya for Karo. Now so dirty full everywhere. Amak they so dirty. Broom not go be sweep am. Broom not be sweep am. Na lie. Now when Chukuma get that one, so no go talk about that one. The problem of Nigeria and the problem of Amak. Now waiting they call lack of respect. Then go say, hey, you not be na Igbo, hey, you na Yoruba, hey, you na Hausa, you na Fulani. Some people think that their religion na holy pass. That is our problem. Our problem not be mama, papa, pikin. Mama no dey here, papa no dey here, pikin no dey here. How that one take be our problem? Our problem say we no get mutual respect. Even if you be Muslim or you be Christian, you be Igbo. If I come and I can't shake you, it means I don't accept you. I better shake it somebody. Do ADC for somebody. ADC. Shake somebody. ADC. Show somebody ADC. I better shake somebody. Shake somebody. ADC say whether you be Yoruba, whether you be Igbo. Because we don't tire for tribalism. We never tire for religious rascalism. As we they do Muslim ticket and all the Muslims they enjoy. I better tell me this shop where they here you get religion, this stage get tribe, bread get tribe, my cloth get religion. Go punish people when they use religion. Go punish people when they use tribe. Go buy them. Go buy them. Enough of jaga jaga. On the 21st of February, what thing go happen? What thing go happen? Who you go vote for? Who you go vote for? Ladies and gentlemen, before I stop here, I want to welcome one of the most erudite, somebody where they know the two talking story because he know they like to talk too much. The kind of work where he do as governor. You see, my quarrel with Ambassador, they tell us that why they do like this. You know the one more could they advertise things. Unfortunately, now you must advertise things for people to know. Not be so. I want more to listen. You know the two talk, but more to listen to the point where you go yarn. We're not ready. We're not ready to the one and only Rotimi.
Kai ban da shi baka da shi ban da shi na zo a yi mun transfer har yau ba ya ga an bani wani paper for the transfer of the BBC to vote for Abuja an yi gangani ba so I have from Kaduna and I need to change it to Abuja. They can't change it for me. They can't change it for you? Yes, sir. And this is the office. They give me one paper that I will change it to one of the officials. I have. I guess.